Day 4 Nutrition Plan, Active Recovery Day. Breakfast, avocado and egg toast. Ingredients: 1 slice of whole grain bread, 1 avocado, 2 eggs, poached or scrambled, and a sprinkle of chili flakes. Nutritional info: approximately 2,200 kilojoules, 20 grams fat, 20 grams protein, 350 calories. Benefits: healthy fats and high-quality protein support muscle recovery and provide lasting energy. Mid-morning snack, mixed berry and spinach smoothie. Ingredients: a handful of spinach, 1 cup of mixed berries, 1 banana, 1 cup of almond milk, and a tablespoon of flaxseed. Nutritional info: approximately 850 kilojoules, 2 grams fat, 5 grams protein, 200 calories. Hydration: accompany with 500 milliliters of water to aid in hydration. Lunch, tuna salad with mixed greens. Ingredients: canned tuna, in water, mixed salad greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, and a vinaigrette of olive oil and lemon juice. Nutritional info: approximately 1,500 kilojoules, 15 grams fat, 25 grams protein, 360 calories. Vitamins and benefits: rich in omega-3 fatty acids for heart health and anti-inflammatory properties to aid recovery. Afternoon snack, almonds and orange slices. Ingredients: a handful of almonds and 1 orange, sliced. Nutritional info: approximately 950 kilojoules, 15 grams fat, 6 grams protein, 220 calories. Hydration: drink 250 milliliters of water to keep hydrated. Dinner: grilled chicken with sweet potato mash and steamed broccoli. Ingredients: 1 chicken breast, 1 large sweet potato, a handful of broccoli florets, a dash of olive oil, and herbs for seasoning. Nutritional info: approximately 2,200 kilojoules, 12 grams fat, 35 grams protein, 500 calories. Vitamins and benefits: high in protein, beta-carotene, and fiber. This meal supports muscle repair, immune function, and gut health. Evening snack, cottage cheese with pineapple. Ingredients: half a cup of low-fat cottage cheese with a slice of pineapple. Nutritional info: approximately 600 kilojoules, 1 gram fat, 15 grams protein, 100 calories. 3. Hydration: finish the day with a glass of water before bed. Hydration throughout the day: aim for 3 to 3.5 liters of water throughout the day, especially important to support the body's recovery processes. Vitamin requirements and benefits: Vitamin C, essential for repairing tissues and enzymes for metabolism. Found in citrus fruits like oranges. Magnesium, important for muscle relaxation and recovery. Almonds are a great source. Potassium, helps to maintain electrolyte balance and muscle function. Present in bananas and sweet potatoes. Sleep and rest. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep to enhance the body's natural recovery processes. Consider gentle yoga or meditation in the evening to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Active recovery is just as crucial as your workout days. It's a time for your body to heal, grow stronger, and prepare for the next challenge. Today's nutrition plan is designed to replenish your energy stores, support muscle recovery, and ensure you're getting the vitamins and minerals needed for optimal health. Embrace this day with the same commitment as your training days, and remember, every step on this journey counts towards your overall health and fitness goals. Stay motivated and enjoy the nutritious meals prepared to fuel your recovery and success. Subscribe and turn on notifications now, so you don't miss out on transforming your body and mind with the perfect synergy of exercise and nutrition. Great job, you're well on your way towards making your wellness aspirations a reality. See you in the next video of Day 5's nutrition plan. Subscribe, www.youtube.com/@bravemindman. Follow me, https://www.instagram.com/bradstyle_creates/